Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about the published book and will get idea about the structure of the published book. We will understand an example of the published book and will know about the details of pages, chapters, etc. of this book. So the book name is Advanced Computational Methods in Mechanical and Materials Engineering. And the publisher of this book is CRC Press, Taylor and Francis Group. To get more information about this book, we will go through PowerPoint. So we can see here the publisher is CRC Press, Taylor and Francis Group, and the name of the book is Advanced Computational Methods in Mechanical and Materials Engineering. So we can see here the structure of the book. The total number of editors in this book are 5 and the total number of pages are 342. These are the ISBN number details. Total number of chapters in this book are 15. Average chapter length is from 20 to 21 pages. Cost of the book is more than 10,000 plus and the chapters are written in the single column style. In the last we will see the chapter details. If we will type in Google Advanced Computational Methods in Mechanical and Materials Engineering, we can go to the website from where we can purchase these books. This is the second link, Amazon link. From this link we can also purchase this book. So these are the editors of the book: Dr. Ashwani Kumar, Miss Yatika Gauri, Dr. Nitesh Dutt, Dr. Yogesh Kumar Singla and Dr. Ambrish Maurya. This is about the book. So this book provides in-depth knowledge to solve engineering, geometrical, mathematical and scientific problems with the help of advanced computational methods with a focus on mechanical and materials engineering. So these are the further details of the book. These are the features of the book. Book covers computational methods in design and fluid dynamics with a focus on computational fluid dynamics. These are the further details of the book. Contributors are those people which contributes chapter in the book, or we can say these are the authors which contributes chapters in the book. So these are the details of the contributors, their affiliation, and we can see here these contributors are from the reputed institutes, colleges, IITs, NITs and the foreign institutes. These are the contributors in continuation. So this is the sample of a book chapter and we can see here this chapter is written in the single column format. So all the 15 chapters in this book are written in the single column format. There are 3 sections in this book. Section A, Manufacturing Engineering. Section B, Mechanical Design Engineering. Section C, Materials Engineering. Section A, Manufacturing Engineering. This section has 6 chapters and we can see the details of these chapters having also details of the authors. This is section B, Mechanical Design Engineering. This section has 5 chapters. And this is the section C, Materials Engineering. This section has 4 chapters. So total are 15 chapters in this book. Thank you.